Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. Welcome to a new playlist, A Journey with Python. So here in the first video, I will teach a small example with Tkinter. Just I will create a rock paper scissors game. If you don't know about Tkinter, then don't worry. I will tell some basics also Tkinter in this video, and I will cover the Tkinter in further videos. And in this playlist, I will cover the entire web scraping or many others interesting things. So don't skip this tutorial and don't skip this playlist, just stay with me. So this is the rock paper scissors game, and here just type rock and ROBK, not ROCK, rock, and now click on play. You win. Computer select scissors. So here you can see computer choice scissors and your choice is rock. Now again I select rock and play. So computer choice this time also scissors, and this time also you win. And next scissors, next scissors, and next time you can see here is rock. Okay, so this time you lose or no, you tie because both of you choose rock. Okay, so again play. So next time computer choose scissors, so you will win. So next time computer choice paper, so you lose because computer choice paper. Okay, so it's worked properly. So now close this. So at first I will tell some basics of Tkinter. So I just create another file here, rock paper game.py. So at first you have to import the Tkinter. So just type from Tkinter import all, means stars means all. From Tkinter import all function class. Okay, so now import random module, also import random. I will use this module later. So at first you have to set an Tkinter object, means set the windows. You have to set the windows at first. Okay, so here you have to create an object root equal tk. Okay, so you have to create this object at first. Now root dot geometry, you have to set the dimension of the windows. So here I choose 400 by 400, and now this is not into, this is x. Okay, remember it. Now here just type root dot resizable 00, and now here just type root dot title, that means title of your window. So just root dot title, what is the title? Rock, again rock paper. Okay, so now after this just type root dot config, and here you can set the background color of your windows, means Tkinter window. So here just type bg background and just type the color name here, or you can use the hex value. So here I just give a color name yellow or gray, yellow. And now at last you have to type what? You have to type root dot main loop, root dot main loop. Okay, so this function will run your Tkinter windows. Okay, so now here at first I want to say about label. Label. Label is what? Label is a widget when we want to display the text that user cannot modify. Remember, this label user cannot modify it. This is a constant in the Windows. So you can see here this word. So I cannot change. Actually, I just give an example here. So here I just type. At first you have to type the root and then type the text what you want. text, sorry, text whatever you want. So here I just type rock paper game. Okay, so after now I have to choose the font. Here you can choose the font. So now just type comma and just type font, and now whatever you can choose here, font, Arial font or anything, Arial, and just type 14. This is the size, actually this is the size, and you can type also the bold. Okay, so Arial 14 and bold 14 is the size. And now you can say the background color of this label. So here I just set a background color of this label. What is the background color of this label? Here you can type hex value. So here I just type gray, GREY. Okay, so now save it and run this. So you can see the background is yellow, and you can see nothing here. Why? Because you have to pack this label with the root. So here you have to just type .pack, pack. Now save it and now run it. Then you can see rock paper game. You can see here this constant rock paper game. This is a label that user cannot modify this. Okay, so this is basics of Tkinter. And I also want to discuss entry and a button. Entry is what? Entry is like input field in HTML. So at first I here just type entry, E-N-T-R-Y, entry, not enumerate, it's entry, E-N-T-R-Y. Entry is input field, as like input field in HTML. So here at first you have to type the root. This is mandatory because the Windows is root, Tkinter Windows is root. And now you can choose the font also. Font, I just use this font here. And now here you can choose the background also, BG. I just skip this background color. And now width you can choose. Width, I just 45. Take this value and you have to pack this. Okay, so now if I run it, then you can see, then you can see this is the input field. Okay, it's not like good. Here I just want to say a simple thing. At the top left corner the coordinate is 0 0. Okay, so at the top left corner the coordinate is 0 0. When you increasing in right side, then the value of x will increase. When you increasing bottom side, then the value of y will increase. I just see an example here. So here you can put a place value, place, instead of pack. X equal what? X equal, I just give 25, and y equal what? Y equal, I just give 100. Okay, so now save it and now just close it. So you can see, and this value is 25 now. Yeah, this value is 25 and this value is 100. Okay, if I increase this y value, then what will happen? I just close this. So what will happen? This input field, this entry field go to downwards. Okay, so I just close it and run it again. So you can see there. Also here you can set the background color into the entry. So here just type BG and just type the hex value or the color name. Okay, I just type this gray and run it. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here I just close this and the value of x is 80 and the value of y is 100. And then what happened? Then you can see this. This is a perfect size. Now come to button. Here I just want to create a button. When you click on this button, then the Windows rock paper is exit. So just close this, and now here just type button, and now you have to type at first root and then type a font, then background color. Okay, so I just copy it and paste it here, and now you can set the text value of the button, that means whatever you can print on the button. So here I just type exit, exit, and then type dot place, and here just give the axis value. X is what? X is 80 and Y is 200. Okay, so now save it and run this, and you can see the exit, but when you click on exit the program will not close. Okay, so for this what we have to do, so here we just define a function exit, and now here just type root dot destroy. So here just type root dot destroy. Now inside the button just type command and then type the function name. Just type the function name only, exit. I just give it into the capital letter E, and exit. Exit is the function to destroy the Tkinter windows. So now save it and run it, and if I click on exit then the function will close. So now we have to create a rock paper scissors game. So now comes to how can we create this game. So now create this game. Okay, so at first you have to create here user choice, that means your choice for rock paper or scissors. So now at first create a empty variable user choice, user underscore choice is user choice equal string var, string var. Okay, so now here you have to type the label. So I just copy it and paste here, and instead of back I use place dot place, and here I just give a value x equal 80, y equals 100. So here just change it and just type or choice, not type rock paper or scissors, scissors. Okay, so type any one, rock paper or scissors, into the entry field. What is the entry field? I just copy it and paste it here. This is the entry field. Okay, so I just increase the y value by 50. So just type here 150. So comment out this and save this. And now here we use this user choice variable to store the user choice. So here is the entry, and here obviously there is text variable. So text variable equal user choice. So now the value will store into the user choice. Okay, so I just save it and run it. Okay, so here you have to select rock paper. Okay, so now close it and close the cell also. Now you have to create a function for computer choice. So here just create a function def comp underscore choice, comp choice, and then create a variable comp underscore tick compik equal random. Where the random? At first you have to import the random. Okay, I already import this. So random dot rand int, and now 1 2 3. Okay, so both return this randint return an integer in the range AB here means 1 2 3 including both points. That means it will return 1, it will return 2, or it will return 3 also. Okay, so now here just create a condition if compik compik equal 1. If compik equal 1, then comp underscore peak compik equal raw. Okay, so just do similar for 1 and 2. Control Z and now Control V. Okay, so if compik equal 2, then compik is what? Next is paper. And now if compik equal 3, then the computer peaks equal scissor. Just copy it and paste here. Okay, and here you have to return this compik. So now just type return str and just type compik compik. Okay, so now we have to create a play function to play this game. So that means now here you have to create a play button for play this game. So here just create a function for play button, play function. But before this you have to create empty variable result where I will store the result value. So result equals string what? Obviously string string variable. And now so now I just go to here and copy this. This is the if else condition, nothing but this is a simple if else condition for the rock paper scissors game. When user peak equal computer peak, if both are same then the game is tied. When user peak equal rock and computer peak is paper, then you lose. When user peak rock and computer peak scissors, then you win. When user pick paper and computer pick scissors, then you lose. This is nothing but a simple if else condition. So I just copy it and paste here. Sorry, at first you have to create the play function also, and here. So inside the play function you have to create at first a variable user peak equal user choice dot get dot lower. So what is the user choice? User choice is this. Okay, so this value, this text variable value will save into this user choice variable, and here we get this user choice and transform it into the lower case. Okay, then just type a variable for compik equal computer choice, this. Okay, and this is the simple function. Now we have to create the play button, and here I just want to create a button for play, and I just want to create a entry field, that means input field for showing the result. Here you have to choose the rock paper or scissors, then you can click on play, then here the result will available, then you can click on exit. So we have to create a play button and the entry field, that means input field, and then we can create the exit. So here instead of this exit I just name it play function. Okay, this function. And now just create the entry field here, entry root font Arial 14 bold, place is 100, and increase the value of white 250. Okay, so now just run it. Okay, it's good. So here I just change this text to play and now run it. Okay, so it's good. So here you have to select the rock paper scissors, then you can click on the play, and here the result will available, and then you can click on exit. and here I use the text variable. So just type text. Text variable is what? Text variable is result. Okay, so result is a string, you can see that, and we can store the result into the string, and here I just want to print this result value here. So all are good, and now run it, and now here just type rock, play, you win, computer select scissors. Okay, you can see this. So here I just change this size to 8 and not width. Okay, now save it and run it. Okay, this is too small, and now here I just type rock, and now play, you win, computer select scissors. Okay, so here you can set the width also, width width 50. Okay, so now again run it, and now type the rock and play, tie, you both select same, you can see this. Again play, you lose, the computer select paper. Again play, you win, the computer select scissors. You lose, the computer select paper. Okay, so here you can see the computer choice rock, computer choice paper, computer choice scissor, computer choice paper. So every time the computer choice will not same. Okay, and this is for what? This is for this random. And so everything is fine. Now we have to create this exit button. Sorry, just run this again, and here I just want to create the exit button. So for this and so for this just copy this button, and after the entry paste it, and I just increase the value of y to 300. Okay, this is 250, this is 300, and now the command the command is for exit. Okay, so just type exit function. Okay, so now save it and run it, and just change the text value also, exit exit, and I also want to create a reset button. So just copy this and paste here, and just increase the value of x to 100, and here just change the text to reset, and command is reset, reset. So we have to create the reset function also, reset, and here type just user choice dot set the value to an empty string, and here also just type result dot set an empty string. Okay, this is the result and this is the user choice. Okay, so when you click on reset, then the result and user choice will set to a empty string. So now run this. So here just type rock and play, you win, computer select scissors. Now again I play with rock, you win, computer select scissors. Again I play, this time you lose, computer select paper, and now I reset this. Okay, so here now I choose paper and play, you lose, computer select scissors, and play, this time tie, you both select same. Okay, now reset this. Okay, so that worked perfectly. So that's it for the tutorial. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will put the source code link into the description box. Just check it, and don't forget to follow this playlist. This playlist will be amazing. So thanks for watching. Thank you.